Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson, you will be learning greetings. In German, you can say Begrüßungen. Once again, Begrüßungen. Now here is the first one. Hello. In German, you can say Hallo. Hallo. Good morning. In German, you can say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good afternoon. In German, it will be Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good evening. It will be Guten Abend. Guten Abend. And the other one is good night. In German, you can say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Thanks. It will be Danke. Danke. See you soon. You can say bis bald. Bis bald. Goodbye. It will be Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. But it is informal. Informal way you can say bye. It will be Tschüss. Tschüss. And last but not the least, thank you very much. It will be Dankeschön. Dankeschön. Now let's come to the sentences. Here is the first one. Hello, how are you doing? In German you can say like this. Hallo, wie geht es dir? Once again, hello, wie geht es dir? Good afternoon, it's nice to meet you. It will be Guten Tag, schön Sie kennenzulernen. Guten Tag, schön Sie kennenzulernen. Have a nice day, see you soon. It will be einen schönen Tag noch. Einen schönen Tag noch. Hope you liked my video. Please like, comment and share and subscribe the bell icon. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.